In this tutorial, we will learn how to visualize and explore directories using the tree command. Let's start by installing the tree package if it's not already installed. Now we have create a sample directory structure to test with. Now we have created a nested directory structure inside the parent directory. Let our again move into it and use tree. To see only up to 2 levels of directories, we can use the -L option followed by a number. To display file sizes and permissions, add the -H and -P flags. Want to list only directories? Use the -D option. You can also sort the output by modification time using the -T flag. To output the result to a file, we can use redirection like this RTB. Now, let's re-enumerate this saved file using the cat command. This is a great way to document your directory structures for projects or team sharing. That's it for this lesson. Visit our channel for more tutorials like this and drop us a message if you need help with your project. Hope you enjoyed this tip, and until the next one, I bid you farewell.